everyone and welcome back to Math with Aradhya. In today's video, we will focus on adding fractions and simplifying the results to the simplest form. So let's dive in. So today what we are going to do is we are going to add fraction and then simplify the results. Okay. So for example, here we are having the first example as 3 by 4 plus 2 by 8. So over here, as you can see, we are having two fractions. We need to add them. We are not having the common denominator. We are having denominator as 4 and 8. So for adding fractions, we need the common denominator. Yeah. So for common denominator, we need the LCM. Okay. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Okay. So the LCM is 8. Now it means the common denominator would be 8. Okay, so as you can see, 2 by 3 is already having the denominator of 8, so it means we don't need to convert anything in that. Yeah, but in our 3 by 4 there is a denominator of 4, so it means we need to convert this 4 into the denominator of 8, and side by side we also have to convert the numerator. Okay, so like over here we are having 3 by 4, so we need to convert that into with the denominator of 8. So we need to see what we will multiply with 4 to get 8. So if we multiply 4 with 2, so we can get 8 here. So whatever we multiply in the denominator, we need to multiply in the numerator. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 2 we will get 6. So it means 3 by 4 converted to 6 by 8. Okay, so now equation we are having is 6 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Okay, so in this we are just going to add these. So we are having the same denominator, so we are going to keep the denominator as it is and then add the numerator. So 6 plus 2, we are gonna get 8. Okay, so now our answer is 8 by 8. Yeah, now at last we are going to simplify this. Okay, so if we simplify 8 by 8, we are gonna get 1. So it means our answer is 1. So yeah, let's move to our second example, which is 5 by 12 plus 1 by 6. So over here our denominators are 12 and 6. As you can see, they are not same, so the LCM of 12 and 6 is 12. Okay, so it means our common denominator would be 12. Yeah, so as here 5 by 12 is already having the denominator of 12, so it means we don't need to convert that. Yeah, but 1 by 6 is not having the denominator of 12, it is having the denominator of 6, so it means we need to convert that. Yeah, so 1 by 6, we need to see what we will multiply with 6 to get 12. So if you multiply 6 with 2, we can get 12. Yeah, so whatever we multiply in the denominator, we need to multiply in the numerator. So 2 multiplied by 1, we are gonna get 2 only. So it means 1 by 6 is converted to 2 by 12, like this. Okay, so now equation we are having is 5 by 12 plus 2 by 12. Okay, so yeah, now let's just add them. So we are having the same denominator, so it means our denominator would be 12 only, and then now we are going to add the numerator. So 5 plus 2, we are going to get 7, and here we are having the 7 by 12. Yeah, so 7 by 12 is already in the simplest form. We can't simplify this, we'll not simplify it. Okay, because it can't be, it is already simplified. So yeah, let's move to our third example, which is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. So here what we need to do is our example, as you can see, our denominators are different. Yeah, so we need to find the LCM. So the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10, so it means our common denominator would be 10. As 3 by 10 is already having the denominator of 10, so we don't need to change that, but 2 by 5 is having the denominator of 5, so we need to change that 5 with 10. So 2 by 5, we need to change the 5 with the denominator of 10. Yeah, so we need to see what we will multiply with 5 to get 10. So if we multiply 5 with 2, we are gonna get 10. Yeah, so whatever we multiply in the denominator, we need to multiply in our numerator. 2 multiplied by 2, we are gonna get 4. So it means 2 by 5 is converted to 4 by 10. So now equation we are having is 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Okay, so as you can see our denominator are same, so it will be like 10 only. Now we are going to add the numerator. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. As 7 by 10 is already in its simplest form, so we will also not simplify as it cannot be simplified. Okay, so yeah, let's move to our last example, which is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So over here, as you can see, we are having the different denominator as 3 and 4. Yeah, so the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. It means our common denominator would be 12. So as you can so as here is as no fraction is having the denominator of 12, so it means we need to convert both of the fractions. Okay, so let's first convert 1 by 3. So we need to see what we will multiply with 3 to get 12. So if we multiply 3 with 4, we can get 12. Yeah, so whatever we multiply in a denominator, we need to multiply in our numerator. So 4 multiplied by 1, we can get 4 over here. So the first fraction we are having is 4 by 12. It means 1 by 3 is converted to 4 by 12. Okay, so now let's convert this second fraction, which is 1 by 4. So in this we need to see what will multiply with 4 to get 12. So if we multiply 4 with 3, we can get 12. Yeah, 3. So whatever we multiply in the denominator, we need to multiply in our numerator. So 3 multiplied by 1, we can get here 3. So it means 1 by 4 is converted to 3 by 12. Okay, so here we are having the same denominator, which is 12. Now we need to add numerators. So the 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. As you can see, this fraction is already in their simplest form, so we don't need to simplify it. Okay, so yeah, we are going to keep it as it is. Okay, so yeah, this is how we add fractions and then simplify it. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can simplify it and like add fractions. Okay, awesome job. You have learned how to add fractions and simplify the results. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Math with Aradhya for more math tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Tada.